Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, and one in particular that's been making waves in the health and wellness community, Moringa powder. Packed with an impressive array of nutrients, this green superfood is taking the spotlight for its numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 benefits of incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Let's kick things off with the fact that Moringa powder is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, and iron. This makes it an excellent supplement to support overall health and well-being. 2. Antioxidant boost. One of the standout features of Moringa powder is its potent antioxidant content. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of Moringa can contribute to a strengthened immune system and improved cellular health. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa powder emerges as a natural remedy in the realm of inflammation, drawing attention for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is implicated in various health conditions, from arthritis to cardiovascular diseases. Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds, including isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and polyphenols, showcase its potential as a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. 4. Energy boost. For those grappling with sluggishness and seeking a natural energy solution, Moringa emerges as a revitalizing force. Packed with essential nutrients such as iron and vitamin A, Moringa plays a pivotal role in energy metabolism, the body's intricate process of converting food into usable energy. Iron, a vital component of hemoglobin, facilitates the transportation of oxygen to cells, ensuring optimal energy production. Meanwhile, vitamin A contributes to the synthesis of rhodopsin, a pigment in the eyes crucial for low-light vision, indirectly influencing overall energy levels. By incorporating Moringa into your daily routine, you invite a natural energy boost, bidding farewell to fatigue and ushering in a renewed sense of vitality. 5. Supports digestive health. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is fundamental to our overall well-being, influencing everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. Moringa powder, with its robust fiber content, emerges as a champion in promoting digestive health. Fiber plays a crucial role in supporting digestion and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in Moringa forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, facilitating nutrient absorption and promoting a healthy gut environment. Simultaneously, insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, aiding in its smooth movement through the intestines and preventing constipation. This combination of nutrients and fiber makes Moringa an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their digestive well-being. 6. Regulates blood sugar. For individuals aiming to maintain stable blood sugar levels, the inclusion of Moringa powder in their diet may provide valuable assistance. Scientific studies suggest that Moringa has the potential to lower blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Moringa's effects on blood sugar regulation may be attributed to its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to better respond to insulin signals and regulate glucose effectively. 7. Heart health support. With heart health being a top concern for many, Moringa powder emerges as a potential ally in supporting cardiovascular well-being. Its unique combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, coupled with its potential to lower cholesterol levels, positions it as a heart-friendly superfood. Antioxidants in Moringa neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and contributing to the overall health of blood vessels. The anti-inflammatory properties further enhance its cardiovascular benefits by potentially mitigating inflammation in the arteries. Studies also indicate that Moringa may play a role in lowering cholesterol levels, specifically reducing LDL cholesterol, known as the bad cholesterol. This multifaceted approach makes Moringa a valuable addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. 8. Skin and hair nourishment. Beauty radiates from within, and Moringa powder's rich nutrient profile contributes to healthy skin and luscious locks. The abundance of vitamin A in Moringa is a key player in promoting skin health by supporting collagen formation. Collagen, a vital protein for skin elasticity, is crucial for maintaining a youthful complexion. The iron and zinc content in Moringa also play pivotal roles in nourishing hair. Iron aids in oxygen transportation to hair follicles, promoting growth and strength, while zinc supports the health of oil glands around hair follicles, preventing hair loss and fostering strong, luscious locks. 9. Weight management. Embarking on a weight management journey requires a holistic approach, and Moringa powder can be a beneficial addition to this comprehensive strategy. The fiber content in Moringa creates a sense of fullness, potentially reducing overeating and supporting weight loss goals. The soluble fiber forms a gel in the stomach, slowing down digestion and promoting a feeling of satiety. This can be especially helpful for individuals striving to adhere to a calorie-controlled diet. Beyond aiding in weight management, Moringa's nutrient density ensures that individuals receive essential vitamins and minerals during their weight loss journey, supporting overall health. 10. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Convenience meets nutrition with Moringa powder, making it an easy and versatile addition to your daily diet. Whether you're a fan of refreshing smoothies, crave crunchy salads, or enjoy a wholesome morning yogurt, incorporating Moringa into your routine is both effortless and rewarding. Add a teaspoon of Moringa powder to your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed boost without compromising on taste. Sprinkle it over salads to enhance both flavor and nutritional content. Mix it into your favorite yogurt for a simple yet effective way to harness the benefits of this green superfood. The powdered form of Moringa opens up a world of possibilities in the kitchen, making it accessible for everyone, from busy professionals to home chefs. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of Moringa powder superfood. If you're ready to experience the wonders of this green gem, start by adding a small amount to your daily routine and monitor the positive changes. Don't forget to share your Moringa journey with us in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.